Good afternoon. Welcome to the St. Clair County EMA office for our daily COVID briefing. I am joined by Chairman Kern today, and we will get right into the numbers. For St. Clair County, they've tested 331,494, which is an increase of 674 since yesterday. Positive test results are 30,089, which is an increase of 52 since yesterday. Those are males and females under the age of 10 up to their 80s, which brings our daily county positivity up today to 7.7%. For negative tests, we're at 301,405. We are happy that we are adding no new COVID-19 related deaths today, so that number remains at 475. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 29,286. For state totals, they've tested 21,920,359. Positive tests received are 1,309,552, which is an increase of 2,765 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did announce 28 additional COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total from COVID-19 to 21,722. For hospitalizations, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 26 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 2 of those patients are on ventilators. Regionally, there are 56 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 4 of those patients are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities, we'll only announce the changes since yesterday. These are cumulative numbers. New Athens Home for the Aged has 86 cases and 10 deaths, which is an increase of 1 case. As we see today, a sharp increase in our number of positives, an increase in our hospitalization. It reminds us that testing is just so vitally important so we can continue to isolate this virus. Our test sites are open at St. Clair Square Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., along with various pharmacies and urgent care facilities. So if you've been exposed or you're having symptoms, it's just so important that you make sure you get that test, isolate yourself till you get the results, and follow all the necessary procedures to make sure we're doing our best to keep this out of our community. Chairman?
Thank you, Brian. Let's look at the zip codes today. 62201, we're up 1 to 599. 62203, up 1 to 655. 62204, up 2 to 411. 62205, up 1 to 661. 62206, up 3 to 1,360. 62207, up 1 to 604. 62208, up 1 to 1,693. 62220, up 1 to 2,149. 62221, up 4 to 2,869. 62223, up 1 to 1,825. 62226, up 4 to 3,301. 62232, up 1 to 926. 62239, up 3 to 496. 62254, down 1 to 817. 62257, up 1 to 357. 62260, up 1 to 829. And 62269, up 6 to 3,366. 52 new positives. That's a big jump in positives today. Only 674 people tested, so our daily county positivity went up to 7.7%. Rolling average, though, still went down to 3.7% today. Regional positivity also went down to 3.3% because Bond County called in at 4.9%, Clinton 2.2%, Madison was 3.9% today, Monroe was at 0.9%, Randolph was at 0.6%, St. Clair 4.9%, and Washington County was at 0%. So the spread is still out there, Brian. I think people, we all are kind of getting a little, certainly we're tired of this whole COVID episode. 404 days is a long time for anything, but we have to keep our vigilance up. Just by looking at the zip codes today, we got a lot of zip codes that we mentioned. The spread is still out there. It's really throughout the county, and it's really important that people wear their masks. And if you haven't been vaccinated, or you know someone that hasn't been vaccinated, encourage them to find out the reason why. And if there is a reason that maybe doing a little research, finding someone that could maybe make them feel comfortable with getting a vaccine, if they get a recommendation from their doctor or from whomever, they really should get that vaccine in their arms, because it's the only way we're going to get these numbers down. And when we see 52 new positives today, they quite possibly could have exposed one or two people, and then all of a sudden we're going to be moving upward again, which is where we don't want to go. We want to continue to have these rolling averages and regional positivity levels way down. Hospitalizations went up today. Not a good direction. 2 people went on vents overnight. All these things are not the right direction. So let's just stay vigilant, keep it going like we are, and keep on getting to the fairgrounds, get your vaccines. Plenty of appointments available. This week we're doing Pfizer at the fairgrounds, 330 West Main. We have appointments also, so make your appointments, get in, get that vaccine.
Chairman, I couldn't have said it any better. We've been working through this 404 days. Changes a little bit every day, but we do know that the best way we can all get through this is through that vaccine. As you mentioned, appointments are available, but also 9 to 5 every day of the week but Wednesday. We take those that just arrive at the fairgrounds, and they will get you registered on site, get your vaccine in your arm that day, and help move you one step closer to eradicating this virus from our community. So we thank everybody for joining us. We do not have Cindy with us today, but we will be back with you tomorrow for day 405. Thank you.
We in the medical profession continue the daily battle against COVID-19. One thing I know for sure is that masks do work. Until a vaccine is available, we must ask for your assistance in slowing the spread of this daily virus. 3 simple things help tremendously. Wear a mask, wash your hand, and watch your distance. By practicing those 3 basic principles, you can help us in the medical community respond and defeat COVID-19.